Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside hot glue gun model PNKP 105B1. Rated power is 5 watt, heat up time 5 minutes, accessories included inside 1.5 meters the cables. Low working temperature is 105 Celsius, that 4 is the code, 3 years warranty and designed in Germany. Okay. There we have some pictures what you can do. With a low temperature future for decorating, of course consider this glue gun is most for decorating, that's for it is a small glue gun. Parkside has the other glue gun, it is bigger. It has standard glue sticks with 7 millimeters of length. Now let's open to see what we have inside. Nice case. We've got, of course, the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this product. The glue sticks, small glue sticks, and of course the glue gun. Here you can insert the glue sticks. And then we can power it on. Here we've got the feeder shaft, the trigger, the stand, the nozzle, and the thermal protection for the nozzle. It's getting hot, let's wait. And just for the record, you can see the bigger glue gun from Parkside. This is for decoration, and this is for more DIY jobs, whatever you want to do. More power, it has a bigger quantity of glue stick that it can come out, and you can use it for bigger DIY projects. That is most for decoration. If you're into decorating, I'm sure this glue gun, it will help you to do the decoration job that you want. I think now it's okay. Let's push the trigger. And there we are. You can see the amount of glue gun, it's too small. That's for, it is for decoration. And we need to feed it more. Let's try to do a straight line. Oh, it's doing a great job. The glue is coming out very easy, with no problem. Well, with this glue gun you can make a miracle. There is a varieties of job that you can do with that. Maybe you can build in a house. Why not? You've got enough glue gun. And you can use it everywhere, in every material that we've got in this planet. I think you can use it. And for decoration, of course, you can use it on a fabric, decorating on a Christmas, on a Halloween. You can do masks, you can do whatever you want on a wood, on a plastic, on a glass. The applications are too many and it's getting cold too fast. That was all about this glue gun. I'm sure you will like it, you will enjoy it. Well, just buy it, it costs only 7 euros and you will be happy with the results. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.